Can you really make an AI movie in just 60 seconds? Well, a new tool claims you can. Let's dig in.
First, get this. Over 82% of all internet traffic right now, yeah, that's video. But let's be real, making professional video is hard, it's expensive, and takes forever.
That's where a new class of AI tools comes in, claiming to change the game completely.
So meet AI Movie Maker 3.0. It's pitched as a full-on AI production studio in an app.
The huge promise? Turning any text idea into an 8K movie in under 2 minutes.
Wild. And they say it all boils down to just 3 simple steps. So, how's it work?
Okay, step 1, you just type in your idea. The AI creates the script and scenes for you. Then, step 2 is customizing. You can use simple text commands, no tech skills needed.
And finally, step 3, you export your 8K movie to publish or even sell.
But it's way more than just the basics. It's like a whole AI production studio in a box.
It's also built for a global audience. We're talking over 150 different languages.
You even get an AI scriptwriter to generate and organize scenes, just like a pro storyboard.
And it even helps with marketing, creating your titles, thumbnails, and hashtags to get seen.
Okay, with all these amazing features, you gotta be wondering, what's this gonna cost me?
Well, this is pretty shocking. It's a tiny one-time fee versus huge monthly industry costs.
And listen to this, a commercial license is included, so you can actually sell what you create.
They claim that beta testers are already pulling in $1,000 to $2,000 a day.
People are already selling videos, starting faceless YouTube channels, and offering local agency services. And if you're on the fence, it's all web-based and has a 30-day money-back guarantee.
So if the AI can handle the how, the only real question left is, what story will you tell?